Here's an interesting look I have for you tonight. Is this here AGB 5000 PS model Euro cylinder Dimple lock. It's an Italian lock, and as you can see here, it's a flat, non-hardened key security cylinder. And if my Italian is well, it also means that the key is reversible, as far as I can understand it. It's a lock that I got some time ago from Montenegro. It was relatively cheap. It was like €12.30, which is, I don't know, about 13 US dollar. Not really cheap, but for the price the lock is quite well. So I have already the locking device. The other part of this lock is I sent to the lockpicking lawyer, so he would be nice if he also can give me an opinion what he thinks about the lock. It's a 6-pin, as you can see it here. With the key it's quite well. We have some highs and some lows, so it's a very good bedding, I would say. We even have a few passive pins here, which thankfully we don't really need to pick. So having said that, let's try and pick this guy open, and if possible got it. So starting with pin number 1, which is binding. So he got set 2, 3, nothing. That would be number 4, and I got a deep false set out of him. Good. So 6. Actually my pick is just now stuck. Great. I start again. So 1, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4. That's 5 just now. Okay, that's the false set that I was talking about again. Again, my pick is stuck. Great. That's not really funny. Okay, that's number 3, I take it. It's giving some feedback, and we keep our false set. So this one was also a spool. That's number 2, and gives some feedback. Let's see, number 3, 4. Okay, 4 gives more feedback. So I set him again. Something until 5. Okay, so I'm out of the cylinder again. So starting with 1, nothing, 2, nothing, 3, nothing, 4. Let's see. Okay, number 2 now gives a very good feedback. Let's see. And there we go. That was number 2. That opened the lock. Great. Great, great, great. So let me put back the pin so that I can rotate it. Okay, and there we go. Now let's see if I can get this guy open. Let's see what's inside. So, sorry about the mess. My regular camera is currently offline because the battery is charging, and that makes it
Round 1, fight!
Oops. So one is out. Let's just finish the other one. Yeah, it would be nice if I don't forget to pull my pinning tray. So that's pin number 1. 2, 3, come 3, standard. 6, that will be 4, 5. All of them are standard, and the pins are tiny, to be quite honest. I am surprised. So let's see here. One is standard, two is, I need to turn him back, so three is a spool, two is either stuck or just doesn't, it's barely hanging at the shear line. Probably that's the why I did not really need to pick him. So 4 is a standard spool, yeah, standard stock spool I meant. 6, yeah, 6 is a standard. Okay, and number 2, okay, that would be number 2, and additionally some springs. Since you're out, let's get you out. The other ones stay inside. Okay, good. So nothing really special on the lock. Oh, actually there is something special here. We have a spring that is probably, this is exactly why number 2 did not want to go out. It's because the spring compared to the other ones is quite small. So this would go on number 2. Never seen a stock lock with a smaller spring. That's something interesting. Okay guys, so these are the pins, just a few spools and the other standard pins. Very nice lock. I did enjoy it. Hopefully you also enjoyed the video. And oh, hold on, before I say goodbye, there seems to be a sidebar or something. No, it's not a sidebar. These are the passive pins. They did not drop out. Let me see if I can get them out, at least one of them. Okay, so they are both out. So these are the side pins, the passive ones. Okay, thanks for watching guys, keep it legal, I will see you in the next video. Cheers. Hi, short addendum to the lock, the AGB lock. While I was pinning it, you can see that the passive pins could be here, but you could in theory also order to have passive pins here on the side. So in addition to that, you have also construction pins. You can put some balls and basically you can have a construction lock. And there's also something interesting that I noticed. There's a anti-drill bit here in front. So this lock is prepared to be quite interesting. So if you need higher security or something like that, it's pre-prepared for a lot of options. Okay, that was the addendum. I will see you in the next video. Bye.